What's up YouTube, it's Beam Team here, back at you with another video. So today I'm bringing you guys a full exhaust clip video. These may be the last days of this car with what's been going on. Not gonna say nothing about it yet. I just want to wait till things actually process to see what happens. But I'm trying to get out as much video as I can. More video, maybe two videos today, maybe three, maybe. So you might see me, if you see me in another fit in the next video. And of course, I had to whip out the jacket bought by my girlfriend, so I had to wear it today. So, don't forget the pants. Don't forget the pants. Yes. All right, so let me get to the logistics with it. So, my exhaust setup is a resonator delete, muffler delete, basically straight pipe with a wide pipe at the end to get the dual twit tips. Because if you guys know that this is a 328. This is a 328, so 328s do not come with dual tips that it has. So it had to be converted. So in this video, I will get you guys a cold start, warm idle, drive-by videos, and some revs. So stay in tune and hope you guys enjoy this video. meant to make an outro for that last video, but hope you guys enjoyed the exhaust clip video. Again, it is a straight pipe with the wide pipe conversion towards the end to have the dual tips. Those are my sound clips. Hope you guys enjoy. Beam Team, we out.